Hello everyone, today I will be making a nail art using Born Pretty Jelly Amber Cut Magnetic Gel. So make sure you touch that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on my new video. So first is I'm gonna make a heart using the shade BP106. It is a white color. And then cure for 60 seconds. And then apply the first layer of Born Pretty Jelly Amber Cut Magnetic Gel shade CMG01. Use magnetic stick to push the shape you want and then cure. Born Pretty Amber Cut Magnetic Gel is made of nature formula which is highly pigmentation and silky smooth, and it is easier to apply. So I'm gonna leave the link below on my description box so you guys can check it out, and don't forget to use my code ROSEDIY13 to get 10% off when you shop at Born Pretty official store. And it is also a perfect gift for your wife, for your girlfriend, for your mother, for anyone that you love for this coming Valentine's Day. So make sure to check the link below down in my description box. Next is I will be making a smaller heart with the shade BP84. It is a red color. Cure for 60 seconds. And then apply the second layer of cut magnetic gel and use the magnetic stick to push the shape you want and then cure. Apply top coat and then cure for 60 seconds. It is a very pretty color. Look at that. It is so beautiful. It is perfect for Valentine's Day. And that's it, everyone. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and thank you for watching.